Greetings, everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at Google Slides and how to make them collaborative. I will show you how to add a collaborative prompt as a background and use a table as a text box. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I've used the KWHL chart as a background so that my students can comment all in one space and add check marks to comments that they agree with. I'm going to show you how to take an image of a KWL chart and add it as your background so your students can do the same. Let's start with a blank slide. Go over to your plus sign, choose blank slide, and from here we're going to add a background. We can go up to background, or if this is not visible at the time, you can go up to slide and change background. I've already saved my KWHL chart as an image, so I'm going to click choose image. I'm going to browse my computer and I'm going to choose it and open it. Once it opens, I'm going to click done. Now I have this chart as an immovable background. They can't move anything on this chart and they can't get rid of the chart. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to create text box from a table. I'm going to do this because it's much easier for the students to write inside the table than it is a text box. So often the students will move the text box inadvertently while trying to write in it, and it's much harder to move a table once it's been inserted. So we're going to use a table as our text box. So we're going to go over to insert. We're going to choose table, and we have 4 areas that we want to write in. So we're just going to choose 4 boxes. Once we choose those boxes, we can make them fit our KWHL chart. So we're going to just move this up and we're going to stretch it to fit our chart. And what's really good about this table is that it easily lines up with our KWHL chart. And we're just going to drag it all the way down. And there you have it. We have an easily fillable table as our text box. And I'll go in and put little prompts so that the students know exactly where to type. I'll go in and put type here in each box, and I can just tab. And I'm done. Now the students can go in and add their own information. You can type inside the box and it doesn't move as easily as a text box would. Once we have finished adding our table as our text box, we can go ahead and add our directions in our gray space. From here, we just want to go to insert, text box, and I've already got my directions saved on a Word document, so I can just go and copy those right quick. Control C, and I'm going to place them into my text box. Control V. And there I have our directions over in the gray space where it's not taking up space on our chart. And then I'm going to add those check marks that I want to use for other students to agree with comments that have already been posted. Once again, I'm going to image, insert, check mark. Going to open those up. That's too big. We're just going to resize and make a stack pile like we've done before. Control D to duplicate. Then I'm going to align them. Lasso, arrange, align, center, arrange again, align, and middle. And now we have our check marks where they can agree with each other's comments. And now we have a collaborative Google slide that we can share with our students. We can share it, copy the link, make sure it says anyone can edit, copy the link, and then we'll share that link with our students. And here we have our interactive collaborative slide. Thank you for watching.